Peewee's too windy for you. Stay low. Very gusty today. Bad day for flying. It's cold and gusty. See how fast the wind took Peewee? And then when I come this way, he's just like floating. Like a lot of wind today. Take it easy, Peewee. Stay low. Stay low. Come in for a landing. Too windy for you right now. Crazy. Nothing happened. That was on film.
I hope I got it.
I actually filmed it.
I hope I was behind you.
Nothing happened to it. I gotta go this way more. Peewee! Peewee, don't go up so high. Too windy for you. Look at this. He's just floating in the air. It's like very gusty. Peewee! Uh-oh, no good. This is like the worst day today. It's very, very, very windy and gusty. Thank God Peewee is easy to control. The wind pulls them right up. Look at this. No good. May as well enjoy the windy day. Look at the turbulence. Peewee, you trying to kill me again? Alright, I think you better come in for a landing. We're going to have to wait till it slows down, which I doubt. night, so go out for a landing and then come in for a nice landing.